Now, Union Minister and LJP leader Chief Chirag Paswan said he was in favour of a nationwide caste census and declared that his party will challenge the recent Supreme Court states to create subgroups within scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to carve another slice of the 15% quota. Now, Paswan said that he supports the caste census, which is being vociferously demanded, remember, by the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi during the monsoon session, but asserted that the findings of such census must not be made public.
न्यायालय की तरफ से आया हुआ ये आदेश है। मैं कोई भी बात ऐसी नहीं कहूँगा जो कि कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट हो, बट हाँ, इस बात पर हम लोग की आपत्ति ज़रूर है और लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी रामविलास की तरफ से हम लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम लोग एक पुनः विचार याचिका भी हम लोग दाखिल करने जा रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से रिजर्वेशन विद इन रिजर्वेशन के प्रावधानों को सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा दिए जाने की संभावनाएं खोली गई हैं।
My colleague Prabhakar joins us with more details. Prabhakar, firstly, a BJP ally now demanding, in fact, pushing for a nationwide caste census. But above that, Chirag Paswan also saying that he's going to challenge the Supreme Court verdict on the subgroups of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to be allowed to get into the 15% quota as well.
Yeah, and that has always been the stand of Chirag Paswan's political party, that is the Lok Janshakti Party. And even his father held the same view. They're opposed to the fact that there should be a subcategory within the SC/ST reservation category, and there should not be any subcategory created, which was the observation of Supreme Court. And also, they're opposed about the concept of creamy layer in the SC/ST category. And now that we know the Supreme Court has given a verdict which favors the creation of subcategory and creamy layer in the SC/ST reservation, they are now deciding to file a review petition in the Supreme Court, and that is well within their legal rights. So it's a review petition which the LJP would be filing in the Supreme Court for the review of the judgment of Supreme Court. Remember, Supreme Court earlier had ruled out the creation of a subcategory in the reservation quota for SC and ST, and later it reversed its own order, the Supreme Court order, and around 10 days back when the Supreme Court gave a verdict on this, it cleared creation of subcategories within the SC/ST quota, reservation quota, and also asked the state governments to implement creamy layer as it is implemented in the OBC reservation category. Now, many of the political parties, including Chirag Paswan's party, they are opposed to this fact. Even RJD is not comfortable with this fact. So, despite the fact that they are part of the alliance, the NDA alliance, they would file a review petition in the Supreme Court, actually asking the court for the review of this matter.